Welcome dear parents and children. In this video I will show you how to use classroom app and how to upload the homework in classroom app. First of all, you have to download the Google Classroom app from Play Store, and you have to download it, install it and open. When you will open it, you will see a plus sign downwards. You have to click on this plus sign. You will see two options: create class and join class. You have to click on join class. Then here it will ask class code. I will send you a class code. You have to copy that class code and paste here. This is the class code. I am copying this class code, and now I will paste it here. Then you have to click on the join option. Upside you will see a join option. You have to click on this. When you will click on this, you will join our class. So now you can see you have joined the 4th A class. So here from downwards you can see many options like new assignment chapter 1 wake up, new assignment chapter 2 Neha's alarm clock, chapter 3 noses, chapter 4 the little fir tree. So like this you have to upload all chapters homework. I will show you by uploading one chapter's homework. So you have suppose I have to upload the homework of chapter 1. I will click on this chapter 1. Then here I will scroll it upside. Then I will see option add attachment. I will click on this, and here third option file. I will click on this, and I have kept this ready chapter 1 PDF. So I will click on this. When I will click on this, automatically it will be uploaded. So I have clicked on it and it is uploading. Very soon it will upload, and after uploading finishes, you have to hand in. You will see another option hand in. So you have to click on that hand in option. If you will not click on hand in option, look here, you can see hand in option. You have to click on this hand in. If you will not click on this, I will not be able to see your homework. So you have to click on hand in. Now you have clicked on hand in, and the now I can see your homework. So like this you have to upload chapter 2 homework, chapter 3 homework and chapter 4 homework. So here you can see two new options: new materials chapter 1 wake up. So when you will click on this, you will see all the materials related to chapter 1. I have saved all the materials which we have discussed in our class when we studied about chapter 1. So you can use this material anytime, and chapter 2 material is also there. Very soon I will upload chapter 3 and chapter 4 material also. So like this, children, you have to upload your all whole 4 chapters homework. Thank you.